Good day everyone, welcome to my vlog. It's me again, ang kakampay ng naaapay at ng mga magsasakway. Today we're going to discuss the relationship between the weather, animals, and crops. Let's go! Weather plays a major role in determining the success of agricultural pursuits. Most field crops are dependent solely upon weather to provide life-sustaining water and energy. Livestock are also dependent upon weather for their comfort and food supplies. Occasionally, adverse weather conditions can cause production losses, especially if it is experienced during critical stage of animal growth. Individual elements of weather influence crops and livestock in particular ways. However, the combination of all weather elements occurring simultaneously can have a tremendous effects on both crops and animals. Now, let us know the relationship of weather to croplands. Most of the time, plants are actually moving water from the soil to the atmosphere. And depending on the weather, it's like the plants will kind of modify their behavior to do more or less to be able to photosynthesize and growing at the same time as they are releasing water. Depending on how much rain there is, depending on how cloudy it is, how hot it is, plants are basically more or less stressed and will behave differently. In turns, croplands can also affect weather. How it happened? When the sun blasts the earth with a lot of irradiation, carries a lot of energy in that sunlight. And that sunlight goes somewhere, and part of the places it goes in and back out. But then all the energy that is not reflected back tends to go either downwards, hitting the atmosphere, which will make more turbulent and change the local dynamics and therefore change the weather. Or it could go downwards, basically allowing the evaporation of liquid water that is in the soil to gaseous phase that is used to get the water back to the atmosphere. Generally, extreme weather conditions cause a serious drought and floods. The drought comes with extreme high temperatures which kill the crops as well as the livestock. High temperatures also causes heat stress to the livestock. Extreme floods also lead to mass deaths and displacement of livestock and crops. The crops become flooded and become uprooted or die due to the lack of soil aeration. The nutrient balance is also interfered with the soils during the flood seasons. The general effects of extreme weather conditions are adverse on agriculture and likely to lead to catastrophic food crisis. That would be all. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.